Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought any updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. So the first college is NIT Karnataka. They are inviting a special recruitment drive for Indian National for faculty position on direct recruitment for filling backlog vacancies in the institute. So what you have to do, you have to go to college site, official site www.nitk.ac.in. Then in notices you can find this vacancy, and from that you can find all the details. I will also upload the details of this advertisement. So maybe tomorrow I will bring that update. Next is IIT Madras. Their recruitment. The recruitment is like a special drive for SC, ST, OBC, non-criminal and EWS on emission mode. For assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2 in its various academic department. So what you have to do, you have to go official site, also for this http dot slash double slash fsc app dot iitm dot ac dot in, and the last date is 2nd of December 2021. Next is Shreyas Institute of Engineering and Technology. They have walk-in interview from 9th of November to 14th of November for civil engineering. Walk-in for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in civil engineering, ECE, CSE, CSE Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, CSE Data Science, Humanity and Social Sciences, then Physics and Management. So what you have to do, you have to go for walk-in with all original certificate, photographs, PAN and Aadhaar card, experience certificate, and you can also mail to jobs@shreyas.ac.in. Next is Sri Sarthi Institute of Engineering and Technology. They have requirement for faculty like for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in CSE and mechanical department. Qualification and salary is as per AICTE norms. Experienced and retired person may also apply. Next is for science and humanities in English, physics, mathematics, and physical director. Lab demonstrator also they have requirement in mechanical department. Candidate with diploma or equivalent qualification in the above areas may apply. They have also for turner, plumber, fitter, electrician and welder. For that ITI certificate with experience will be eligible. Some requirement for boys and girls hostels also. Next is Srinivas Institute of Engineering and Technology. They are inviting. They have walk-in interview on 14th from 9 a.m. onwards for Dean Academics, Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor in Civil, Electrical, Electronics, Mechanical, ECE, CSE, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Then Science and Humanities like for Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, English, MEFA and Soft Skill, Qualification and Salary as per AICTE norms. They also have the lecturer or senior lecturer for diploma branches like for civil, mechanical, electrical, electronic, EC and CSE department. Also non-teaching vacancy also there. System administrator, accountant, computer programmer, lab technician, hostel warden for both boys and girls. So what you have to do, you have to mail your updated resume with scanned copies of all certificates to careers@srinit.edu.in on or before 13th November. Next is Jipulla Reddy Engineering College. They have walk-in interview for assistant professor on 13th of November for civil, ECE and English. Qualification they have given for civil BTech and first class and MTech will be required in construction management or remote sensing. ECE for that eligibility is BTech first class and MTech first class with specialization in VLSI and embedded system. And for English MA first class and PGDT from EFLU desirable. So you have to go with all your original certificates and passport size photo and attend the interview. So that's all about today's update. You share it with your friends which in the need of jobs like faculty, assistant professor, etc. And subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.